Welcome back. I'm Jamie with Shine Guys. I'm about to do a emblem removal, debadging on Denali. What I'm going to use is I'm just going to use a Bondo scraper and infrared light. Put it on there, let it get hot. You know, not too hot, but you want it pretty hot. And I'm just going to scrape it off. Grab it, scrape it. Same concept of same concept when you're doing
fishing line, right?
Yeah, fishing line. But I just find it's a little bit easier to do it this way. Like I said, you don't want it too hot. You just want it, you know, hot enough to loosen up that glue, and then yeah, you're good to go. Sweet. Okay, so after you got them, get those all knocked off, let it cool down a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this. I'm gonna put this on the back emblem, and then I'll come back with my rubber wheel, and I'll take off all that. There's probably another good thing that you guys could get. These Pro Locks. If you know, if you're polishing all the time, you know, you want, you know, versus tying your cord together, you know, these have a really good lock. That way you're good. You never come out. Again, like I said, you know, it doesn't need to sit on there that long. You just want to get it hot. Hot to the touch. All right, back over here. Another thing, we use a slow reducer, Nason slow reducer, to get off all the glue residue. That kind of makes things a lot easier. Otherwise, you can get 3M adhesive remover. But yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get my wheel. Go ahead and take off all this glue. I would say if you're gonna do a full car, you know, take off all the emblems. The way I do it, you're probably 45 minutes, you know, take off all of them. I find having that, the cure lamp, it definitely makes the process way fast. Heat guns work well, all those work well, but if you guys have a heat lamp already, you might as well be using it to do this. All right, sweet. So I got that one off. Now it still has that glue residue on it. I'm just gonna go ahead and get a little bit of reducer, and then go ahead and wipe off all the excess. All right, sweet. So there it goes. Under 5 minutes, debadge. There's a little bit of staining from the glue. Probably doesn't come off really that well on camera. We're gonna go ahead and polish it, do a paint correction, get it ready, and coat this, ceramic coat it. So anyways, I'm Jamie, Shine Guys, Salt Lake City. Like, subscribe. We're here working. Peace out. Go!